Hello everyone, welcome to Text from my management Java. So this is a continuation of Java interview coding problem. So today we will see how to find a factorial of a given number, okay, and how to find the LCM and HCF of a given number. Okay. So how to find a factorial? Factorial basically what is factorial? Factorial of a number n is the product of all the positive integers. Means if you have a n is a some number, okay, then what will be factorial? Factorial will be basically n into n into n minus 1, okay, then into n minus 2, n minus 2. What basically it means, if you want to find a factorial of 5, if you want to factorial of 5, so what is the factorial of 5? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is the factorial of any number, okay, up to n into n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, okay, up to 1. So this is a factorial. For finding a factorial, very simple thing, use the for loop, iterate and create a variable factorial, and just simple multiply the factorial with an I. So you will get the factorial of the given number. Very simple. So what this means? This way, like you have given some number and num equal to, you want to find the factorial of the 5, okay, and int factorial FACTOR. Factorial is a variable, and currently I am storing one value, okay. Now using a for loop for int, sorry, for when I equal to 0, say I is smaller than 5, I is more than 5, or I is smaller than m, because m is variable where 5 is stored, and I plus I should be small, I plus. Then what I will do, simply multiply with the factorial, means this is a factorial variable, factorial FACTOR I factorial into I, okay. So what basically happen here? It will iterate over the 5. When it will iterate over the 5, what you will get? You will get 5, you will get 4, you will get 3, you will get 2, you will get 1. So these all the value what I will multiplying with the factorial. Factorial is generally what? 1 into 5, 1 into 5 in this way. Okay, then what the value you will get? Then 5 into 2, then 5 into 3, then 5 into 2, okay, in this way. And in this way we keep on multiplying the value in the factorial variable, okay. So in this way we are finding the factorial of the any value, okay. Then after that, how to find a LCM or HCF, okay, how to find LCM or HCF. So now I will find highest common factor or lowest common factor of a given two number, between the two numbers, okay, a given number or anything, okay. So first let me define what is the SCF and what is SCF. SCF basically highest common factor, okay. If you are given the two number, like 12, 80 are the two number, so 12 can be divided by 1, 2, 1 minute. Let me explain here. Like there are, you have to find the SCF of the two number, that is a 12 and 18. So the highest common factor between 12 and 18 is 6, okay. So what I want to say, 12 can be divided by 1, 12 can be divided by 2, 12 can be divided by 3, 12 can be divided by 4, 12 can be divided by 6, 12 can be divided by 12. Similarly, 18 can be divided by 1. 18 can be divided by 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. So here, what is the highest common factor between the both? 6. So 6 is basically a highest common factor. Okay. And similarly, we have a lowest common factor. Okay. The smallest number that will be with the multiple of both the number. Okay. That is the lowest common factor. So there is one formula, HCF into LCM equal to A into B. A into B is basically a number. So first I will find the HCF. Okay, we will get the HCF. Okay, some number. Then after that, for finding LCM, simply A into B divided by HCF. This formula I will use here. Okay, so let's. There are the two number and A equal to one number and B equal to 24, two number. Okay. And HCF is a one variable. Currently, I am storing 0. Okay. Currently, I am storing 0. Now, with the help of a for loop I will for and I equal to 1 say I is smaller than equal to A and I is smaller than equal to B. We have the two variable, then I plus plus curly braces. Okay. Then I have to write the condition of A modulus I equal to 0 and B modulus I equal to 0. If A modulus I equal to 0 and B modulus I equal to so B modulus I equal to 0 curly braces, then SCF equal to I. Okay, simple. SCF equal to I, and simply come outside the for loop. SYSOUP print SCF. See, we are getting the top. So okay, we are getting the common value which of the both A and B, that is top. Now you have to find the uh, lowest common value. Okay, lowest common value. For finding a lowest common value, what you can do, if you want to find between the 12 and 18, 12 and 18, save, run. So, okay. Now I want to find the SCF. So how we will basically find the SCF? For there is a formula LCM into SCF equal to A into B. Okay. So LCM equal to A into B divided by SCF. Okay. And LCM equal to A into B divided by HCF SO LCM. Okay, SO. Okay. So in this way, we can find LCM and HCF. Okay. See you in the next classes with the new interview problem.